Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I will show you that how can you fix issue called Messenger not working, or if your Messenger is not working on your Android mobile phone. So how can you solve that issue? Firstly, we just have to find out that where our Messenger is on our application manager. You can see this is my Messenger Lite application here. I will hold this app for like 3 or 4 seconds here. I will repeat, you can just hold it for 3 or 4 seconds and go on the option called application information. You may go to this option from your setting on your iPhone or Android mobile phone, but I will open it directly from this option because it's available in my phone. So what to do now? You can see there is a lot of option here: open, force stop, uninstall, storage usage, data usage. What you have to do, click on the storage usage here, and you can just clear all the caches from this menu, and also you can clear all the data, so the application will be refreshed and then you can use it as you want. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.